Welcome back, where we're covering multiple trials, but we have been live in court in New Jersey versus Michael Barrisone. They are at a sidebar. Of course, when they come back, here's a live picture of the defendant in this case. He was a former Olympian, and he is charged with attempting to murder two people, tenants on his property, one of whom, Lauren Kennerek, was actually also a writing student of his. While we are waiting for them to complete their sidebar, I'd like to bring back in Jamie White, attorney, who's our guest legal analyst this hour. Jamie, talk to me about the demeanor of the witness on the stand. We know that it is an expert. He is a forensic psychologist, and a professor of psychology presented by the state. He's now under cross-examination by the defense. Has his demeanor changed, in your opinion, between direct examination and now his cross-examination?
Yes, without question. He's defensive, he's argumentative, seems to be trying to support his previous testimony with affirmations that this is what I've done, this is what I do. And it's really unfortunate. You know, a good expert just puts it out there. A good qualified expert, and I'm not suggesting this gentleman isn't qualified, but a good qualified expert will actually, will actually get up there, tell the truth, and take their hits. You know, we talked earlier about the credibility issue that's going to come up when it comes to expert testimony, and this is a perfect example. The jury is going to hear an instruction about how to evaluate the testimony of witnesses, all witnesses, police witnesses, expert witnesses, and lay witnesses. And they're going to say things such as, was there anything to distract the witnesses? Did they have a motivation to lie? Did they appear to be arguing with the attorneys as opposed to answering the questions? And when we get to that fine line of which expert to believe, these are the sorts of facts that matter. I think any objective person would find that this particular expert is argumentative at a minimum.
Right, I agree. His demeanor has changed. Let's go back into court. They've resumed cross-examination. Note that the defendant appears to have been crying during this time.
Aimed at that issue.
Understood. Did Michael tell you that he thought that